It's Kaitlyn Georgia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's vlog, I will be doing some room decor shopping. I'm heading over to IKEA very soon, and I would have filmed me getting ready, but I was kind of in a rush doing my makeup and like getting dressed and stuff, so I kind of just didn't film. But I will be filming my day for you, my shopping experience at IKEA. Since IKEA just opened up, we're gonna be heading over there and we're gonna be doing some shopping and it's gonna be really fun. Yeah, so if you didn't know, I recently moved into my new house and my room has like not a lot of stuff in it. It's still like really empty, and that's why I'm gonna be doing some room decor shopping because I need stuff. So I'm gonna get a bunch of cute decor, maybe some pillows for my bed. I don't know, we're just gonna see, okay? So yeah, we're just gonna go shopping for some like room stuff and it's gonna be really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna update you when I'm like in the car or anything like that, but yeah. Woo! So I just arrived in IKEA and we're just shopping around. I haven't really found anything I liked like a lot yet. You know, it's kind of just iffy, but like I'm looking around. We're gonna go into the decor section soon. We're on our way and I'm really excited. So let's continue shopping. So pretty much I'm just hiding in the aisle right now because I find it so awkward when people are with me and I'm vlogging. So pretty much I'm in the aisle right now. We just finished with the plant aisle. I think we'll be leaving soon. I'm not quite sure. We'll just have to see. Someone's looking at me. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep you guys updated, obviously. And yeah, I found a lot of great stuff. Most of it was plants, so my room's gonna be a jungle. Surprise, surprise, but yeah. And now I'm leaving. Right now what we have in our carts is, well, we have this huge plant thing, and then we have this, which is a nightstand, I'm pretty sure, not for me. And then that is our other cart so far, full of just a bunch of like knickknacks and like necessities, I think. So yeah, we're continuing shopping. is now much later. I'm at home now. I bought all my stuff from IKEA. It was great, but I still need a few more decor things for my room, most likely, but we're not gonna worry about that in this video. I just wanted to thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't be shy, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And I just wanted to say that I love you guys all so much. Peace!
Yeah.